Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Companies including internet giants Alibaba and Tencent were fined by anti-monopoly regulators in a new move to tighten control. History suggests Britain's house price surge could threaten hopes of export-powered growth if Finance Minister Rishi Sunak uses the housing market to fuel the economy as his predecessors did. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance will temporarily suspend Eurobank deposits from one of Europe's key payments networks.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT. Finland's trade balance will be released at 600 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers Survey Outlook at 500 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers Survey Current at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.